Hello everyone. In this video's lectures, we are going to discuss about network theory subject in engineering. Uh, Before going to network theory subject, this is the introduction class. In this class, we will go to learn about what is network and what is circuit and what are the difference between networks and circuits. First, let's define network. An interconnection of elements is called network. An element is said to be electrical element. That element is called electrical network. That means interconnection of any elements is said to be network. Okay. Suppose you interconnect some of mechanical parts, then that is known as mechanical network. You suppose you interconnect some of the electrical parts, then that is known as electrical network. Okay, this is known as network, interconnection of some of the components. This is the example of network. This is an electronic network because here we using electronic components, resistor, capacitor, inductor and current source, voltage source. Here this all circuit elements are interconnected to each other. That's why we are called this as a network. And we will go to see what is circuit. Circuit means it is defined as a closed path formed by RLC elements. RLC elements means resistor, inductor and capacitor elements. It is also called mesh and loop. Mesh or loop. Okay. Mesh or loop. Circuit. What is circuit means? It is defined as a closed path. It is defined as closed path formed by RLC circuit elements. Okay. And you have, I think you in your mind you one doubt arises, that is what is the difference between the network and circuit. There is a small difference between network and circuit. Means all circuits are networks, but all networks are not a circuits, because a circuit must be a closed path, but a network may not be a closed path. It may be closed or non-closed path. Network means it is an interconnection of elements. Circuit means the interconnection of elements, but it is in the form of closed path. Okay. In electrical circuits, or not electrical circuits, in electronic circuits we use resistor, inductor and capacitor as a circuit elements. And the basic circuit elements are voltage source, current source and RLC. I hope you are understanding what is the difference between the network and the circuit. Next class onwards, we will go to discuss about what are the different types of components we are using in electronic circuits. That is, maybe in the above circuit it is shown current source, voltage source, resistor, capacitor, inductor. Next class onwards, we will go to discuss about one by one. Okay, thank you.